toxic badness. Bake out clash me, I use no fist.
Lord Clay, wanna hear about toxic badness? The man say, bake cutlass him I use you. The man ain't use no fist. No fist, the man ain't use of a Grenada. What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. People, what's my name? The reaction what? Boss. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post, and I post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. Right now I have people big up yourself on the DJ Smooth TV. Comment the fair emoji, people spam the fair emoji in the comment section right now to see your comment in the next video that I post. People, today we have toxic run. You know, I'm not time for to drop this. You know, I'm not time for to do this, dog. Until we forget about it in Grenada. I'm gonna forget about none of you over there, so because guess what, the Russian boss are the biggest Caribbean YouTuber right now. Then me I say, everybody in the Caribbean, everywhere and anywhere in the Caribbean in the comment on the flag down below in the comment section and comment one song from my Caribbean. I might react to it. I might just drop it. You never know. I do everywhere over here, so over here, so lit, over here, so bad, no blood, you run tune. Disclaimer. No cut assist was armed during this video. Come, hold on. See him bumbo clip him. Don't see you, hold on. You know so the cut them outside already. I was just for to say, guys, you know so the cut them in the video. But go on, Mr. Emma say. Yo, no X. I want to say, hold up, give credit and give bumbo respect, show respect, Tyreek. Yo, Noah X, big up yourself. It's a message, thanks for putting out them Grenada artists. I remember me can see them video right now. This is the road I see them video. Big up yourself, Noah X. As I say, link to the original video, people, is down below in the description of my video if you want to pre the video without me passing it. Right now, I'm there for the reaction boss, no. So run tune!
Yeah. Let me tell you about toxic badness. Bake out clash me, I use no fist.
Lord Clay, wanna hear about toxic badness? The man say, bake cutlass him I use you. The man ain't use no fist. No fist, the man ain't use of a Grenada. Bake cutlass him and them is. Don't know say cutlass him and them is. Go on, tell some more about toxic badness now. Go on.
EPC man take no this, so me aim with the right hand, no me never miss.
Blood clot. The man say, what? Miss when you say about DP. I mean, how can I see him say? But him say the man take no this. The man say my rise with the and yo go on.
Boom, you know me never kiss. Boy this shit.
Hold on. I pum him just say a while ago. If I pum just say youth, you're general. Well, I may go back in there so become now go straight later when I work before you tell me what you say a while ago. Go back in there and say Tyreek.
Right hand, no me never miss. Boom, you know me never kiss.
Boom. Bow. Straight. As Carter would have said, man straight. Me fuck gal in her pussy me the gutty back door. Bow. Red tune.
This shit came off of the list. Hot cold head sub and what a this.
Gucci
bag, white tees, wallabies.
No. When you hear them and just sit up on the beat and I go on, so dog. Just steady up on the beat and I go on, sir. Yeah. Rate it. Run tune.
Enemies better run when they see me. Move militant, never move silly.
Hear that?
You know.
All of them and enemy them now. When you better hurl on the broke that forward, you know. When the door start up and looking at you, you better say something, take foot, you know. Put your foot in your hand and run. Take up your foot and put it in your hand and run when the broke that forward. Run tune.
Don't say me roll with the killie when me come for me food. Yo dog, just give me.
Yeah.
Enemies better run.
When they see me, enemies you better run on and see them man here fall. Because so them man come on the floor for him food. When you better give him food, I'm going to left last, I'm going to swing the last. Not them call it blade, sorry. Them call it blade. Contagious because myself. That's my first Grenada reaction, people. I'm not like contagious. We need some more contagious song. Run tune!
Never move silly.
Yeah.
And you know, so me roll with the killie.
Yeah.
When me come for me food, yo dog, just give me.
Man say militant. Him never move silly. And you know I say him roll with him killie. When you see the man lyrics and bars them people, go check out some taxi phone and never check out taxi yet. As I say, make them know some reaction bar sending over this. So if you watch my video, click the link to the original video down below in the description and go over there and comment the reaction bar sending over there. So run tune.
R.I.P. boss. One thing you teach me, get the money fast. If a boy this life lost.
Oh no, the pre-work going a while ago. The man soon the last, right? But I want to hear one gunshot, bumbuck. Them just I last them on the bus and I gun them on the blood clip bus. But the man say R.I.P. boss. If a boss be, big up yourself, rest in peace. I don't know a chap. The man say one thing you teach him to make the money fast. Big up yourself. And then I say, run tune.
To rise the machine or the last. Staying on me own lane, 4 meter dash. Head on the goal, eyes on the cash.
You hear that? Man said staying in our own lane. No, that enough I would need to learn for the dog. Stay in our own lane. In my own lane and a boy can't tame me. You know I say, I'm not frightened for people, I'm not frightened. In my own lane. Alright, run through.
Get after me, so me a first gas. Right now me there with the ex-team boss.
With the ex what boss? What?
Enemies better run.
When you see me,
move militant, never move
silly.
Bomba.
Well, I'm going to go big up a second while I must be a blank. I'm see my boy sit and show me one middle finger while I go dog. I feel hurt. I feel hurt. You show me a middle finger. I'm doing this middle finger. Run tune.
With the killie when me come for me food, yo, dog, just give me.
Oh, man. Yo, it's the one that I watch a reaction and dog, right? But I them not so used to chop yam. My country man dog, I know what to know. I them cut that so used to chop yam stick. Them no name yam stick dog. You know that dog got bush here chop yam stick. You know yam stick. You know bumbo yam stick. Don't go on so. Yeah. I them cut that so used to chop on the yam stick. Them dog got bush and chop on 100 yam stick. Bumbo cleat dog. Dog, people used to sell yam stick dog. Like a guy bush chat them done and the yam stick truck a pass through dog. Gotta buy yam stick from one of the dog. Bumbo clown must have won the last stick. Run through.
Move militant, never move silly. And you know, so me roll with the killie.
Yeah.
Come for me food, yo, dog.
Well, I can't hear that. I can't hear that. I'm seeing the video while I go people. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to that song.
For me food, yo, dog, silly. And you know, so me roll with the killie.
I can't hear this. Me no know people. Me no know. You see me? But let's see if I can't hear the song right so. And Blade. Oh, I can't hear the face cover. I mean if I can hear right now.
When me come for me food, yo, dog, just
Give me.
Let me tell you about toxic badness. Bake out, boy, this check him off of the list.
If I boy this man check him off for the list, I would have won it. I check everybody who in the video like come on see what go on and know what go on in the music when I react to it. Then I say, yeah. People run up on the like one, hold on, I'm telling you, like up the video so the video get recommended to more people for more people can see the video. Then I say, and share the video at least with one of your friends them. And see if you like the song and you like the reaction, be if I much in the comment section so you can see your comment in the next video that I post. Run through.
Hardcore heads up and what are these? Gucci bag, white tees, wallabies.
Yeah, Terry.
Just give me. Enemies better run. Enemies better.
What a boy I gonna know people. Alright, so we hear the question, that's something I go show song. But I see something interested. The boy I walk out back and say like some Dave Steve something. Go on, this way I go do. Hey there, go for your boy. Why you check your box up? Rotted. The boy them come for you, what you gonna do? The man say it needs to the floor. Better run on the same. Go on. My brass. Oh no. Hold on. I said the can't see bro gotta run. But guess what bro God? You see that little pants thing with your pants so weird and that's a dog? No dog. Draw up your pants. You hear me I say? When you wear pants them with the dog, your general pants with your waist. Big up on yourself still in the dog, you hear me? Some of them could knife. Kitchen knife. Yeah. The blood clean so yeah. Every man that says son of one asking for that build back around she let her run. This one of them knife. Like a kitchen knife dog. Help me go myself, your general do. Go on. When you see me, big up on yourself over there. They may say reaction boss. Mad up respect for you. They may say thank for the support over Grenada. You hear me? Grenada? You don't know it chap? Like the video? Yeah? And the reaction boss is out. Yo people, yo, when I make it to the end of the video, yeah, but I'm come to chat to you real quick. You know, right now, Popcorn Buzz will upload later, don't comment it. I'll upload later, I'll do that later, I'll do that right now. But I want to go pretty the last two for them post. As you may say, Javelani and Prince Swani, first class flight go pre that video. You see me say, go get the video to 1 million views. You see me, that feature right behind the Javelani video. You see me? And Vibes Cartel throwback song, the reaction is out now to so they can miss that too. You see me say, thank for your support. And yo, like the video. Thank you for the support. I don't even understand what it means to me. Right now, for 95 job a day, for 95 job, but I make sure some post them video phone, I edit them right, I talk right now. Just thank you. Thank for your support. Comment the song them see me. You see me want some more Grenada reaction for enjoy. I want some more Guyana, some more Gambia, everywhere more I go. So just comment the song them. I do them. Reaction boss. Out.